Today, I'm going to demonstrate how to export a list of contractors from the Business License Database. Sometimes we might need smaller lists to respond to a public records request, or maybe to create an internal list. So to create this list, let's get started. Click on the License button to show the license list. To have full access to all the fields in the database, click on any of the licenses in the list. Under the 9-box icon, click on the Find button. At this point, you can search for anything in the database. You can search for a year's worth of licenses, or in this case, let's search for active licenses that have a B Contractors class license, and click Search. The database found 7 records. To export these records, click back to the license list, click back on the 9-button icon, and click the Export button. A pop-up window shows that a file has been created on my desktop. Go now to your desktop and find the file labeled licenses.xls. Open it up, and now I only need the columns that have the company name and the phone number for the contractor. I'm going to delete those columns, and then delete the column over to the class, and delete the rest of the columns that I don't need. I'll perform a little housekeeping. And there you have it, an exported list of contractors from your business license database that can now be used for any purposes you need. Feel free to use this example to create other lists that can be exported to Excel. Thanks for watching.